How you doing, guys? Welcome back to another day here in the house. Trying to bring you guys some entertainment, and I heard some good news. I heard through the grapevine that hopefully Dade County is going to open up the boat ramps. So that's a good thing. Hopefully we'll be back on the water. And remember, if we do go back in the water, remember the rules. The rules are stay away from each other. You need at least 50 feet apart from each boat. So no rafting up, no tying together, no hanging out with your friends, just enjoying the social distancing just as long as we can go on the boat. And also, to answer a lot of people's question, they ask me, why did I get this brand? And to answer that question is, I'm not really a brand person. To me, I look for the function of the product, and if it does what I'm looking for, that's the one I purchased. So we were just looking for a little 125cc bike that was affordable and we could ride once in a while. So I didn't really want to spend that much money because, you know, we spend a lot of time on the boat. So this was going to be an alternative to the weekends that we can go on the boat. So that's the reason why I bought these, because I didn't want to spend tons of money to have it sitting in the garage. So I did my research, and these are the best ones for the money. It's serving our purpose. It rides good. By the way, it has, I think, maybe 2-gallon gas tank, more or less, and it lasts us the whole day of riding. So I'm really amazed. I'm not used to that because, you know, the boat swallows up a lot of gas. So that's the reason why I purchased these motorcycles. It's doing its purpose. We're having fun with it. I don't really care about the brand. And let's get loaded up and let me get the party going, because you know how they are. All right, guys, so we got them up, and here's to answer a lot of people that ask me the question how to tie the dirt bike up to the truck without falling. So first of all, you got to find your hooks. Some hooks are there, some hooks are up there. So mine's are up by the bed. So now what you do is, so you get the strap and you wrap it around the handlebars, and then you do one twist there, and then now you come over here and you put it into your other hook, and then with the ratchet you tighten it like that. This little wrap around doesn't let the bike go like this, move to the side, you know. So that's my way. I'm gonna go ahead and show you on the other one. So you do the same thing with this side. You put it on your eye hook, and then you bring it, you wrap it around one time around the handlebar right there, see, and then you bring it to this side, and then check it out, you see. Now the front's secure. Now just for extra safety measures, I go ahead and do the back tires too. Put it to the eye hook, you wrap it one time around the tire, and then you wrap it around the other tire, and then you use your ratchet, and there you go. See how hard? Now it's just a little motion, but it doesn't go to side to side. So there you go. That's how you put the bikes. Well, that's how I put my bikes, and they haven't fell down yet. Hopefully they don't fall down, and we're ready to go. So let's get dirty, because there's nothing else to do. So we're off again to the long road, but you're gonna notice there's a lot of cars on the side of the road. So I started to slow down and see what they were doing, and I noticed they were fishing. I guess everyone is looking for something to do. So there's a canal next to Highway 27. Every little section there was a few people fishing, because in the situation we're in, basically a lot of people are not working and they're just looking for something to do or entertain themselves, like us. And also on the way up, I noticed there was a lot of people on motorcycles. I guess this is a good way to entertain themselves and also practice social distancing and get some fresh air. to unload and have some fun. In the countryside, baby, in the countryside.
About my dad's neighborhood, other than being so isolated from everyone, the street is cut off and it becomes a endless dirt trail that no one lives here for miles. So it gives us a great opportunity to practice social distancing and enjoy the dirt bikes. And like I said before, I'm really amazed how good these little dirt bikes perform. And after riding around about an hour or so and never finding the end, we decided to head back to the house.
So we're walking around the farm. Well, not the farm, sorry, his house. And we're here at that, I guess the banana section, banana trees. I wonder if any of them got bananas. No. You don't see them? Oh yeah, but I see them, but they're not ripe yet. I see them right there. I got some bananas, but they're not ready to go. They're too little still. They're right there. So we're looking, exploring the wilderness over here. Banana trees everywhere. I guess, but banana trees are kind of messy. Come on, Gabby. Me and Gabby exploring. All right. If you guys follow me from before, you guys know that my dad has these little fruits over here at the tree section, and we're checking on them, but they're not ready. You guys remember these fruits? I don't know what you call them, but they taste, I like them. They taste weird. You know, it tastes pretty good. I gotta wait it too. Maybe next time we come, they'll be ready, because I love these. Well, in Spanish they're called ciruelas. I don't know what you call them in English. I think they got like maybe 2 or 3 more weeks to go, and they'll start turning light green to yellow, and that's when it tastes good. And he has 1, 2, 3, 4 trees of these, and I love them. I love that. I don't know, it's a unique taste. It's like a sour apple taste, I guess, right? Well, how do you think they taste?
Good. We have one at the house, a tree, but
yeah, we have one at the house, but ours only has 3. This one has millions. So we're waiting for this. Maybe next time we come.
How does it have leaves?
I don't know. That tree doesn't have leaves because when it's time to give the fruits, it doesn't have any leaves. Once it has leaves, then it doesn't have fruits. Oh, look at this. All right, so we're exploring, and we just found out something. Oh yeah, it does have bees. My dad has a beehive to get some honey. I don't want to get too close. That's pretty cool. I wonder if there's honey in there, but I don't want to get close because I don't want to get stung. So we're at the edge right here, and like I tell you guys, See, that's the nearest house over there. Look how far that is. That's pretty far. And there's no houses over there. And there's a house all the way down there. So, social distancing at its best. What are you doing with that crazy dog? What's a crazy dog? That dog is so crazy, jumps in the pool, jumps in the canals, it doesn't care. Alright, so let's keep walking. Let's keep walking.
You don't ever get lost?
Yeah, the dog doesn't get lost. He knows where it's going, where she's going. This is a girl dog. So all these bananas, and I think they're all different types. The regular bananas, there's big bananas, and there's a little tiny yellow ones that I don't even know how they're called. I guess raised in a farm or grew up on a farm, and I don't know the name of fruits and things. Was he? Oh no, this is bad. Yeah, this is dying. The tree's dying. These are bad here. These are no good. Tree's dying. All right, so we found some bananas, but they're not almost ready, but not yet.
They're right here too.
Yeah. Actually, that's not really bananas. They're called something else. They're a type of banana, but.
Right there too.
Oh yeah, yeah.
They're mini bananas.
I think I don't know what you call these bananas.
But they're like mini bananas.
Yeah, there goes another one.
They're sweeter though.
Yeah, they're pretty thick. Right. Oh, right here. Yeah. But they're not ready yet. They're not yellow. We got some papayas right there. One of them is ready. Right there. They taste pretty good. Ogita loves those. They taste okay. I like them once in a while. So we're back here to the house. Just wandering around. What is that? Oh, mira. I was just talking about that. Papaya, right? Papaya.
Papaya.
Qué rica.
No, es lo más rico. Ah, sí.
Ya, ¿no?
Sí.
Déjame, ¿no?
Déjame.
That smells good.
Ya no la cogiste de allí.
Sí.
Qué olor más rico.
Esa mata se pone blanca, blanca.
Yeah.
No, no, si mira
¿La
que...
tienes?
Mhm.
Ah, ¿y por qué no trajiste más?
So this is the best part of the day.
You want black beans?
Guess what it is? It's food time.
That's all we do.
So all we do is eat.
In quarantine? That's
In quarantine, that's all we do is eat, and
eat, sleep. Necestate.
hey, that sounds like a song.
Así que Emerson, gracias, muchísimas gracias.
Give me the biggest one.
Estamos en contacto. Seguro que vuelvo a llamarte en cualquier momento para que me mantengas informado de mi querida marca.
And that home cooked okeechobee meat.
Buenas. Bueno, así que te felicito porque has dicho que la gente está en casa.
Te como la cartera.
Muchas personas nos llaman.
Creo que tal vez si después no muere.
Look how the little babies eat. Look at the little babies. Look at the little babies. Look at that little plate. Look at the babies. Look at the babies eating all that food. Oh yeah, your face is dirty. Look, your face is dirty.
It's mud that I threw out.
Your face is dirty. So we're catching that dinner, that free dinner of my dad's house before we head out.
Big, right?
Yuli's waiting for his food, but he ain't getting none. I don't think today, cause they look hungry. Look at that. They look hungry. Hungry. Check out the kitchen view. So I guess while you do the dishes, you got a view of the pool and the whole backyard, I guess. The wilderness. Not bad, I guess. The countryside view. Look what I found. This is an exclusive. Check this out. My high school. I don't remember that was high school or college. Graduation picture right there. Oh boy. Look at that ting, brother. Look at that ting. Got that mustache and all. That's an exclusive. You guys will never see that again. That's it. That's the only time. Does it look like me? Look. Does it look like me? Yeah, I think so, right? That's me right there. All right, so we're getting ready to load up because we don't want to get caught in the night in the road, because if you get caught on 27 with at nighttime, there's a million bugs, and I don't want to. Look at this. Even during the day, you still get bugs. They got bugs right there, bugs right there, bugs right there. But the later it gets, the more bugs, and I don't want nothing. No, let's go. Let's load up, boys. Boys.